Let's get to work. Move out. Keep your eyes peeled. I don't like this. Watch your step. Did you hear that?
Keep the lights focused on the structural supports.
Check the higher levels for stability.
Be careful around the glass.
Look at this mess. It's worse than we thought. How are we gonna fix this? The tail boom is dangerously corroded. This rotor needs a full replacement. I agree. The structural integrity is compromised everywhere. The structure is compromised here. Note the stress fracture on the upper panel. Keep a tight formation. Stay alert, we don't know what's in there. This dust is suffocating. The railing is compromised here. We'll need to secure this section first. Let's mark it for immediate reinforcement. The structure is weakened here. We need to reinforce this corridor first.
Do you think it can handle the weight?
All right, move it in. Let's get these pressure washers to the terrace. Watch the corner, team. Keep it moving. Over here, Character A. We need that crate unlocked now.
Almost there. These blasted algae are tough.
Keep at it. We need this pool cleaning for the boss.
Just need this last patch.
Keep sweeping that section. Move the table over here. Almost done with the sculptures.
Almost there. The dirt is gone. All right, phase 1 initiated. Systems check and tool deployment are a go. Let's rebuild this. All right, team, let's secure the perimeter. Affirmative, section 4 moving to entry. Prep the east side, get the scans ready.
Structurally unsound. I hear shifting.
Is that bad?
Bring it down slowly, steady now. Perfect. Hold it right there. Good job.
Hold it steady. Adjust left just a fraction. Careful. Slow down. All right, perfect. Let it settle. Good work.
Keep it moving, team left. Fast, team right. Get those rods up there. Faster, everyone. Let's go.
Almost there. Just a little more. Click. Stop. Slowly. Keep going. Easy now. right, move in.
The breach points are here. Secure this column first.
Copy that.
Almost there. Secure the frame. Tighten it up. Watch the sparks.
Lower it slowly. Watch the edges. Align it to the left. All right, hold it steady. Good. Perfect. Secure it.
Stop. A little to the left. Careful. Hold it. Slow. Down. Perfect. Secure it.
Green to terminal 7. Verified current. System online. Proceed.
The glass is holding the sunset perfectly. The work is nearly complete.
All right, locked in. Looks good. Check the output. Powering up the zone now.
Tightening the final bolt on this panel. Just need to secure the top brackets now.
Line it up perfectly. Hold steady on the ladder. Attached. Next one. Coming up.
Keep it steady. Slowly. It's clearing the arch. Just a little more. Stop. Adjust alignment. Perfect. Locking now. Magnificent. The alignment is perfect now.
Right. It's ready.
Looks amazing.
Perfect. It belongs right there. Looking good, team.
Keep it steady. Watch the edges. Almost there. Clear the path.
Measure twice, cut once.
All right, we're almost there.
Keep that mixture smooth. Commencing pool fill sequence.
Excellent. Just a little further to the left. Perfect.
Perfect.
Looks great, sir. Excellent work, but let's recheck the seals here. We're almost done, sir.
Excellent work, team. We are ready.
Excellent. It's coming along beautifully. Just need to buff out these last spots, sir. It's time for a swim, I think. Activate the lights, please.
Welcome. Please come in. We are so glad you could make it.
The alignment is perfect. Continue this meticulous work.
Yes, sir. Excellent work. That new fixture looks perfect. Thanks, sir. All secured now. Ready for the next one.
Status. Green for takeoff. Proceed. Initiating ascent protocol.
Welcome, madam. We're delighted you could join us. Thank you. I'm eager to be here.
Welcome, madam. Let me help you.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
Welcome, sir. We've been expecting you.
Thank you. The lighting is simply magnificent.
A soft gasp.
Isn't that piece stunning?
Absolutely. It adds so much to the evening.
Enjoy your walk.
You are cleared to land.
Roger that. Proceeding with final descent.
Landing confirmed. Welcome to the palace.
I can't believe that happened. I know, right? Good times. Cheers to that.
I must say, this evening has been absolutely perfect.
I couldn't agree more. Everything is simply exquisite.